Hey you guys, it's Crazy Bag. We're back with another video. So the other day I found me a tread bike, an exercise bike, and it wasn't working. It wasn't working at all. You couldn't get it to display anything. So I was like, oh, this is gonna be a good project for me to try out and see what I can do with it. So it was at the trash dump down that way, so I went and got it, and right now it's in my garage. Let's get to it right here. You see I already got the head unit, the display, the motherboard of the bike off of the machine. You can see it was
went through the storm, now it's time to go get it.
There you go. Kind of easy to take off. A couple screws in the back. And this right here is Schwinn quality. I can't even say that right. 270. That's what it is. It's a Schwinn quality 270. But only thing this display would show, it would show like welcome Jermaine, welcome Amy, welcome whoever name it was, but like on the buttons, nothing would work. So you couldn't get it, the fan to turn on, nothing would work. So I was like, oh, what could it be? Could it be this? Could it be something there? So I started with this first, and so I took it apart. Right now I'm gonna take it apart and I'm gonna show you what I found. So let's go. Take the screws out. I can see it's one screw right here, one screw right here. The rest of them are not, ain't no screw here. So somebody else tried to fix this at one point, and I guess they was not successful with it. But we're gonna be successful with it. We're gonna get it done. What they say? We gonna fix it. This is how the back of it is. So my examination, I would look and make sure every wire is actually connected to where it's likely supposed to be. Because all the connections are made everywhere. You don't see no loose wires hanging, dangling. Everything's connected, fan, everything's connected everywhere. So when I did it the first time, see, I repaired it, I fixed this. This right here was hanging out. So that was causing this right here, which controls everything, not to work. So as I insert this back in, I can't pull it out now. It's in there now. So we got that part fixed, which was the issue. So now we can put this back together, and we can sell it. Whatever we're gonna do with it, we don't need it, we're gonna sell it. So we found it free. We're gonna sell it for about $100. It took us less than 10 minutes to fix, so it's an easy $100. So all we gotta do is get it back together, post it on the marketplace. Easy $100. Ain't that right, son?
Yeah.
Easy $100.
Yeah.
Free $100.
Yeah.